I never thought that BCom will be draining me so much the way it is draining me right now. And with the top of it, the weather is getting worse because of El Nino. It's not raining and it's literally like summer. So in this video, no long introduction because this video is only about completion of the pending task. I'm going to show you guys that how I complete all the pending tasks after coming back from college. So basically I write my task like a to-do list and I try to complete everything on a single day. If not, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा है like the coverage of the topics, then I usually postpone it to the next day. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the new videos. And please support guys by subscribing. Let's begin with this video.
In a boring life, there are things that can make us happy, and that's why I just thought you to give a fresh shot. And on this particular day, I went to Mr. DIY for the first time, and I really love the stationery and everything. So probably next time I will usually take money with me, my pocket money, so that I can spend. Let's get ready for the college by moisturizing ourselves. This is my pet cat Chloe. He's small, so he just acts up like that. Today's weather was clear, as you know, because of El Nino. It's sunny these days. This is how I start working with it. This is the chalk, and as you know, I have a brown board, so I usually write the task here. I have around 4 tasks to complete today, but still I will try how the things will go, and mostly will try to at least complete 2 tasks for today. It's better to complete 2 than nothing. So here it is. The third is about PPM subject. Then I have one more task which is about to write the journal. And mind you guys, this is the college one. It is not the thing which I usually write. Firstly मैंने सोचा कि let's just complete writing the essay, क्योंकि ये अगर complete हो गया ना, so like 90% of the work is done for the day. And I usually try not to write this way while using the ChatGPT because it's like the easiest topic I know. So generally मैंने जो समझ में आया मैंने वैसे लिखा है इसमें. And this essay was to be written within 300 words, so I wrote around 2 pages. So the first task is done for today. The next task was to complete the stocks notes. As you know guys कि मैं पहले rough लिखती हूँ, and after that I come back home and do double work and write on the fair book. So today it was like around 2 pages, so it is done, and the second task is done for today. After which I took a break, और आज सिर्फ मैंने 2 task complete किए. The next day, let's see what I do after coming back from college.
Yesterday we completed 2 tasks which was about the stocks and one more which was to write the essay on water management stuff. But today I decided to complete the PPM work और मुझे और भी complete करने थे, and top of it I got my accounts homework which is to solve this sum. I was thinking कि मैं इतना ज़्यादा like कैसे करूँगी, and because of it I'm going to wait for tomorrow's timetable. Actually we don't have a common timetable like the regular colleges have, I think so, because my friends colleges have like that. Okay, तो उनका regular timetable होता है, every week they have similar subjects. So it's like the whole year timetable. Spare me guys, I know I'm sweating. I literally have the problem of hyperhidrosis. That's why I literally sweat a lot. So we were talking about the timetable, but for us the thing is we get a new timetable every day. So basically they analyze the availability of the teachers and all, and they give us the timetable, and it's around 7 p.m. but still we didn't get our timetable for tomorrow. I'm still waiting because after looking at the timetable I will think what things I can complete so that मुझे वो कल दिखाना पड़ेगा, right? And I really don't think कि मैं इतना सारा complete कर पाऊँगी. That's why I'm waiting for that.
But then I just encourage myself to complete one more task. मुझे आज भी अकाउंट्स और थोड़ा लाइक स्टॉक्स का लिखना था, तो मैंने वो किया है. अकाउंट्स का एक सम बाकी है विच आई हैव टू डू. आई विल सी बाय लुकिंग एट द टाइम टेबल. बट नाउ आई थॉट टू कंप्लीट माई PPM विच इज़ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ प्रैक्टिस एंड मैनेजमेंट, ये वाला सब्जेक्ट का नोट्स. सो आई नीड टू कंप्लीट इट. आई यूजुअली हैव टू रिफर of my class 12 because it's similar business studies जैसा ही होता है ये. It's almost 7:30 and I really want to complete it as soon as possible because after that I might get my timetable और हो सकता है कि we might have financial accounting tomorrow and I have to complete that too. So it's better if I complete these things क्योंकि वरना ये बहुत ज़्यादा pending और backlog जैसा हो जाएगा. And that's why I usually try to complete everything before 9 p.m. So it's like the टारगेट फॉर ईच डे, क्योंकि उसके बाद मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करती व्हेन इट्स अबाउट द कंप्लीशन एंड व्हेन ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम्स टाइम तो मुझे वो पढ़ना पड़ता है. सो आफ्टर 9 PM आई हैव टू लर्न, बट फॉर कंप्लीशन दिस इज़ द टाइमिंग फॉर मी. I completed the tasks for today. Only one is left, which we can complete tomorrow. In the morning, I went to the stationery because I wanted a new notebook for my subject. So this is the notebook I bought. This particular notebook will be for my constitutional obligation subject, and I'm just making it a small one because I really don't want my bag to get heavy. फाइनल कंप्लीशन, ये मुझे एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट करनी थी ऑफ जर्नलिंग एंड दैट इज़ डन. सो आई रीअरेंज. तो ये जर्नलिंग का फर्स्ट होगा एंड नाउ more task again for today, after which with the fast speed I completed this talks note, and it was so much for me and I was not really in a good mood today. That's why I just completed it how much I can, and then I completed the notes of the PPM, which is principle and practice of management. तो stocks का complete मैंने कर दिया है जल्दी जल्दी, and this is also done. I will meet you guys soon in the next vlog where we will be trying a new study method. Until that, subscribe and stay tuned.